equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 4 without causing damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be cautious here. If you feel resistance, double-check for any screws that may still be holding the screen in place. Once the screen is lifted, you'll notice several screws securing the display connector. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice before proceeding. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the display cable from the motherboard. This step requires a steady hand, as the connector can be delicate. If you're unsure about this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which allows you to avoid the hassle of travel and phone calls. With the screen removed, it's time to inspect the motherboard. Look for any signs of damage or corrosion, particularly around the connectors. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace the motherboard. Before you commit to any repairs, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the motherboard and surrounding areas. This helps prevent future issues and ensures optimal performance. Be thorough but gentle. You don't want to dislodge any components. Once everything is clean and inspected, it's time to reassemble your device. Start by reconnecting the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely in place before moving on. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the display connector firmly. Next, align the screen back onto the base of the Surface Pro 4. Press down gently but firmly to ensure a good seal. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all connectors are properly aligned and seated. Finally, power on your device to test the new screen and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our team is here to help, and with our no calls, no travel policy, we make it easy for you to get the support you need. In summary, repairing your Surface Pro 4 screen and motherboard can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. However, if you feel overwhelmed at any point, remember that professional help is just a call away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.